Welcome to ResearchMind. Today I will share some important facts regarding the selection of a proper journal for manuscript submission. Stay tuned and watch up to the end. The acceptance rate of your article strongly depends upon the journal selection. In most cases, the new research scholars face problems and they are confused regarding this. Sometimes a good quality paper got rejected due to improper journal selection. For a specific topic, there are hundreds of journals are available and they are having different performance matrices. The revision time of some journals is too long and the valuable time of the researcher is wasted. Even after acceptance, some journals took a long time to include accepted articles into a volume and issue. So, how to find the suitable one? Let's see. Nowadays, most publishers included a journal finder tool to find a suitable journal for your work. I will show you one by one. The link for the journal finder of some reputed publishers is given in the video description box. If you are planning to submit it to IEEE and your work quality is up to that level, then you can find a suitable IEEE journal for your paper. Before proceed, make sure that you have a good title and set of related keywords in your article. Now, you can paste the title or keyword in the description box and click on Get Recommendation. A list of open access and subscription version supported journals will appear with journal impact factor and the average time required from submission to publication. Similarly, in the case of Springer journals, visit the journal finder page. The link is given in the video description below. Here, you have to put the title of the manuscript, text, or abstract of the manuscript and then select a broad subject area from the menu. Then click on Suggest Journal button. A list of journals will appear with impact factor, average time taken from submission to the first decision, and article acceptance rate. From here, you can shortlist your journal. Also, you can see the journal subscription type. Whether it is an open access or general subscription type. In open access only type journal, you need to pay open access fees. Next, coming to the Wiley Journal, here also options are similar. You can search journals by putting journal names or directly you can search journals if you know them previously. You can put the title of the manuscript and abstract to get a recommendation. Next, coming to the Elsevier Journal Finder, here also put the required input to get a recommended journal list for your article. The process is the same as before. Now, you are familiar with the journal shortlisting technique. But, this is not the end. You need more refined searching. The recommendation you are getting from the journal finder is completely based upon the keywords present in the title, abstract, or inside keyword section. The keywords may be applicable to a wide range of topics that are completely out of your work area. So, to ensure that the journal fits your work domain, always read the scope of the journal to see which type of article is published here. Then you can review the last 1-year publication in that journal to see the present scope and article type. Also, you can check the frequency of issue, whether it is publishing every month or bi-monthly. This will refine your journal selection. Remember, if your work area does not fit the scope of the journal, then, after submission, it will be returned back to you from the editorial office without any review. So, follow the previous steps carefully. Thank you for your valuable time. Thanks for watching. If this video is really helpful to you, then like it, share it among your community, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.